Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to replace the back glass on a S21 Ultra. First you take and shimmy the back off like I am doing here, and admittedly I had this off probably like a day or two earlier, so it came off pretty easily, as you can see. If you do have issues with it coming off, the easiest thing to do is heat it up. Right now I'm trying to get all the glass out of it. It's hard to see, but down in the bottom there's a bunch of little tiny particles of glass. Right now some of the covers come with the replacement flash cover, so check and make sure before you decide to replace your back glass that you don't accidentally forget that little piece, because some come with it and some don't. But this one did come with the replacement. Next I'm gonna take a cloth and clean out just the edges of where the double-sided tape sits and sticks onto the phone, to make sure that there's a really good seal. And after that we will take the cover off the double-sided tape around the edges. Like we're doing right now. That just comes off real easily. And then there's another piece that comes off in the middle around the cameras that you can see that I'll take off here in just a second. Right there I thought that there's a little tab to take off for the outside, so that's nothing there, but right there is the little piece that comes with the double-sided tape around the cameras. And now I'm trying to make sure that the seat is correct at the bottom and on the side, so I decided to push it around on the side first. Now with my fingers I'm just making sure that there's a good seat around the edges, and I take the cover off the outside and then look and make sure that there's a good seal and that it's on correctly, and press firmly around all the edges. And once you have that done, that's pretty much all there is to it. It's a pretty simple